Hello again.
Hello.
It's the second part. I'm preparing. Значит, я говорю ink. Значит, я тебя прямо сейчас готовлю к собеседованию, которое, надеюсь, будет в третьем туре. Good. Okay, so what do you like eating? What do you like eating? I like eating what?
I like eating
Good.
hamburger.
Hamburger. Ну, не стоит с него начинать. I like eating porridge.
I like eating porridge.
Porridge это каша. Почему? Потому что это в 1000 раз полезней.
Ну, я люблю, да.
Ну, хорошо. Okay. I like eating fruit.
I like eating fruits. I like eating pasta.
I like eating pasta. Oh, good. I like eating what?
Vegetables.
Vegetables. Okay. What about sweets, chocolate, cakes, pies?
I like eating chocolate.
Good.
I like eating raspberry.
Raspberry, wonderful, wonderful. I like eating raspberry. Translate raspberry.
Raspberry malina.
Good.
Oh.
Raspberry, malina, strawberry, клубника. Repeat. Raspberry.
Raspberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Grapes.
Grapes.
Apples, pears.
Apples. Pears.
Good. Ну, это sitting. У нас хорошо. Do you have any pets?
I have
Good.
2 cats.
2 cats. Good.
I have a lot of fish.
Good. Thank you. A lot of fish. Good.
I have 1 hamster.
Right.
I have 2 tortoises.
Tortoises. Good. Tortoises.
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 Good. Very nice. Ну, у тебя уже есть опыт в собеседовании, и поэтому и к Стивену ты ходила, и ты разговаривала с учительницей из Америки, она была на собеседовании, и поэтому ты нисколько не волнуешься, вот так как ты со мной разговариваешь, ты отвечаешь ей очень хорошо. Good.
Ну, просто по скайпу было очень коротким. Я думала, это где-то 30 минут.
Ну да, а тебе-то лучше, что короче, правильно?
Ага.
Okay. And so, what domestic animals do you know? The animals which live on a farm, domestic animal, farm animal. What farm animal do you know?
I know.
Okay. Cow.
Cow.
Good.
Sheep.
Good. Chickens. Cats. Horses. Pigs. Pigs. Good.
Dogs.
Oh, good. Thank you. What wild animals do you know? Wild.
Tiger.
Good.
Lion.
Good.
Bear.
Bear. Good. Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Crocodile.
Crocodile.
Oh, thank you. Good. Okay.
Нет. Я просто уже совсем другое начала.
All right. And tell me about your home. how many rooms are there in your home?
I have six, no,
3 rooms.
6 rooms.
Why 6? Правда, что ли? Ну,
Я имею, да, 3.
Okay, no, okay, 3 rooms,
3 rooms,
a kitchen,
a kitchen,
a bathroom,
a bathroom,
a hall.
a room.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. All right, so what's your favorite sport?
My favorite
Тоже можно придумывать.
It's
It's,
swimming
oh, wonderful. I love swimming.
and play
And football. Нет, это когда ты говоришь I like playing. And football.
and football,
Good. Tennis,
tennis,
basketball.
basketball,
Good. Riding a bike.
riding a bike.
Thank you very much. Good. What items? Items, предметы. What objects, items or objects do you have in the kitchen? I have a fridge, repeat.
I have a fridge.
I have a cooker.
I have a cooker.
Translate fridge.
Холодильник.
Translate cooker.
Плита.
Yes, thank you very much. Cook, repeat, cook.
Cook.
Готовить, кука.
Кука.
Плита.
Плита.
Good. I have a kettle.
I have a kettle.
Translate kettle, electric kettle. You boil water. Boil. В чем ты кипятишь воду?
Чайник.
Thank you. Repeat. A kettle.
A kettle.
Thank you. I have a lot of plates.
I have a lot of plates.
Cups.
Cups.
Translate plates and cups.
Чашки и тарелки.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. What's your favorite dish? What's your favorite food or dish? Dish – это блюдо, которое можно яблоками заполнить, поставить на стол, а еще dish – это блюдо с точки зрения. Первое нам подавали прекрасное блюдо – это суп с курицей. На второе было блюдо очень вкусное – это картошка с мясом или картошка с рыбой. Только попроще выбирай. What's your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is sausages with
Pasta.
pasta.
Sausages with pasta. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. All right. So, what do you have in your bathroom? I have a bathtub. Repeat. Bathtub.
Bathtub.
Mirror.
Mirror.
Okay. Now, what do you have in your room? In your bedroom?
I have
A bed.
a bed.
A desk.
A desk.
A computer on the desk.
A computer on the desk.
A poster on the wall.
A
A poster
poster on the
wall. Translate poster on the wall. Translate.
poster
Good.
на стене.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you. All right. Okay. And poster. What is there in the poster? Is there a picture of a cat or a dog, or is it a picture with a pony? Or what is in the poster? Ну, тоже фантазируй, что in the poster, что нарисовано на постере, но только фантазируй.
Ну, я могу и правду сказать.
Давай.
На постере on the poster,
In the poster.
in the poster,
Good.
нарисовано
There's
me.
there's me in the poster.
In the poster.
Okay. All right. What's your surname? My surname is
My surname
Ivanov.
is Ivanov.
Okay. What is your family name? My family name is Ivanov.
Family name is Ivanov.
Okay. Surname, family name. Это что я тебя спросил? Фамилия.
Фамилию.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Kitty.
What is your surname? What is your family name?
My surname is
Ivanov.
Ivanov.
Good. Ну, Иванов лучше говорить. Не Иванова, а Иванов. Ну, потому что ты... лучше так, а потом тебе объясню. Можно Иванова? My surname is Ivanova. My family name is Ivanova. That's okay.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Russia.
Thank you. Ну, второй вариант. Where do you come from? Come. Приехали. I come from?
I come from
Russia.
Russia.
Ну, ты первое правильно сказала. Не знаю, может быть, второй вариант тоже спросим. Where are you from?
I'm from Russia.
Where do you come from?
I come from Russia.
Excellent. Good. Okay. How old are you?
I am 6.
Good.
Or 8.
I'm 8. Where do you live?
I live in Pushkino.
Good. Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
Good. What do you do? Это что ты делаешь? То какая твоя? What do you do? I'm a student.
I'm a student.
Ну, это в Америке I'm a student, хотя ты и во втором классе, а так говорят. А в Британии I'm a pupil. Repeat.
I'm a pupil.
Good. So, I'll ask you again. What do you do? I'm
a student.
What do you do?
I'm a pupil.
Thank you very much. All right. Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Oh, wonderful. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good, I'm fine. Nice to meet you. Приятно с вами познакомиться.
Nice to meet you too.
Good. Или pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you.
И ты также. Pleased to meet you too.
Pleased to meet you too.
Good, very nice. Okay, all right. Maybe a couple more questions. What are you going to do tomorrow? Or what are you going to do in the evening? Что ты собираешься? Or what are you doing in the evening? Okay. Тоже фантазируй. I'm going, я собираюсь.
I'm
To watch TV, I'm going to play computer.
going to play computer.
Yes. What are you going to do in the evening?
I'm
going to play
the
the computer.
computer.
Good. Or computer or the computer. Good. All right. Good. And probably that's all. Probably that's all what I want to ask you, and you answered very, very, very well. Okay. Probably. What grade are you in?
I am in grade 2.
What do you like doing?
I like drawing.
What's your favorite weather?
Sunshine.
Good. Or I like sunshine.
I like sunshine.
What's your favorite subjects at school?
Art.
Art.
I-
It's art.
It's art.
What's the weather like today?
It's raining.
Good. Or what kind of weather are we having? What kind of weather are we having now? It's raining. Good. What subjects do you have at school?
I have Russian. I have arts. I have PE. I have English.
Good.
I have worlds around us.
Wonderful, wonderful. What are you wearing now?
I'm wearing a t-shirt, shorts,
And shorts.
and shorts.
What do you wear at school?
What? I wear a skirt.
A skirt, good. A blouse. A skirt and a blouse, good. Wonderful. Or I wear
I wear
a uniform.
a uniform.
Good. Very nice. What do you like eating?
I like porridge.
Good.
I like fruits. I like vegetables.
Good. What pets do you know who live in the farm? Farm animals.
Cow,
Good.
sheep, pig.
Oh, good. What wild animals do you know?
Tiger, lion,
Good.
crocodile, bear.
Good. Describe your bedroom. Describe. Опиши комнату. What is there in your bedroom? I've
A
got
poster on the wall.
I've got a poster on the wall, but это маленькое описание комнаты. I've got a bed. I've got
I've got a bed.
bed. I've got a bed.
Got
Good.
I've got
Desk. There's
table,
a
desk.
computer on the desk.
I've got computer on the desk.
Oh, nice. Very nice. I've got a carpet on the floor.
I've got a carpet on the floor.
Translate carpet on the floor.
Carpet.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Okay. What do you have in the kitchen?
I
Have a cooker.
a cooker. I have a
Fridge.
fridge.
A
I
kettle.
have
A kettle.
a kettle,
A microwave.
a microwave,
A lot of plates and cups.
a lot of plates and cups.
A lot of spoons and forks.
I've got a lot of spoons and
Forks.
forks.
Translate spoons and forks.
Вилки и ложки.
Good. Alright, so thank you for your help. I wish you all the best. And thank you, boys and girls, that you were with me and with Kitty. And I wish all the boys and girls success in Olympiaде in level 3 в третьем туре. Goodbye.
Goodbye.